Hi everyone, welcome to Somar's cooking channel. Today I will be making Cambodian waffles. Most people in Cambodia, they like to put coconut meat in the mixture flour too. And the texture is not so crispy nor fluffy. And the way we serve it is just the waffle alone with some drink. So before we start making this waffle together, please like and share this video to your friends and your loved ones. And if you are new here, please subscribe to get more recipes. Thank you. Okay, let's get started. First, we will prepare the coconut meat by shredding it into a thin texture. And then I will prepare 2 whole eggs. After that, whip it for 2 minutes. Now we have prepared the coconut meat, the eggs, so here are the overall ingredients. So now let's mix the butter. First we will add the rice flour in the mixing bowl. Then all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, and then stir to combine it. Now let's pour the coconut milk in and mix it well. The first step is done. Now let's pour the egg mixture into that butter and mix it well again. Now let's put another ingredient is palm sugar. And then stir to dissolve it. When all ingredients are well combined, please add shredded coconut meat. You can add more or less coconut meat, depend on your favorite, and stir it well. Now our butter is done, so let it sit for 30 minutes. Minutes later, the butter is ready, so let's make the waffles together. Before pour it into the waffle maker, please stir it one more time. And before we pour the butter in, please coat each side of waffle maker with cooking oil or butter. After that, pour 70% butter into the waffle maker because it will rise bigger when it's cooked. This waffle maker has 10 cm diameter, so you will have a small waffle. For the amount of butter that we have mixed, we will get 15 waffles only. This maker will take you about 1 minute to have one waffle. So please continue making it until you finish the batter. I have put a lot of coconut meat in this waffle. Now we have done the waffles and its texture is so good. Let's taste it together. When we open it, we feel that the texture is not too hard nor too soft and full of coconut meat. The taste is so delicious and I can smell coconut aroma too. Yes, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any idea, please feel free to leave your comment down below. And see you in the next delicious recipes. Have a nice day. Bye.